So I'm ready to trim this roller texture mug, and then later on I'll add a handle on it. Alright, so pretty quick, I trim this piece. I put the extra line here to kind of make it look similar to the texture. And I will attach the handle later on when the handle is ready. I will just wrap it up and wait till the handle dry a little bit further and then attach the handle. Right, while I'm waiting for the handle to dry, I am dipping the moisture in so that it doesn't dry further. Now I'm ready to attach the handle, and they are at the similar dryness. The important part of attaching the handle is that you don't want the handle to be too wet. So if the handle is too wet, the wetter part is going to shrink more than the drier part. So that's what happens if you have a crack. That's because the handle is too wet. So cut a little curve here, a little curve, follow the curve of the body, and then score it. And also you want to score it. And usually I put my handle right around my stem here. And like I told you, that this part here is the overlapping, so put the ugly side here on the handle. So use that slip as a glue. And also here on the handle part, I usually use my fingernail. If you don't have fingernail, you can use a wooden tool to kind of tap it. If your fingernail is cutting too short, you can use a wooden tool to do that. And then put the slip on the handle too. Little bit of pressure, a little bit of support behind it, and then a little bit pressure here when you attach the handle. And since the handle's been drying for several hours, so the surface actually is dry, so it's very easy to attach it without messing it up. Usually people, when they attach it, attach it too wet, so they mess it up here, but this has been drying for several hours, so I don't have a problem. Slightly bend it, so you have a curve naturally fitting here. Adjust it. I put a little bit slip or water here where you are going to attach it. And make sure this is straight, okay? Make sure it is straight. I'm using the needle tool to just cut it off so that it is not too sharp. Just push it down and squeeze it. That's all. Okay. And then before I compress the firmer here on the bottom part here, I usually put a drip of water, just a drip of water there. And put the fingers inside to support it, and then use my thumb to compress it. And you can come back here to slightly adjust the curve. And here a little bit of the extra slip coming out from when you squeeze it. You don't need to do it right away, okay? You can wait a little bit, maybe like 10-15 minutes, and then you come back there and then use a needle, okay, the needle there to smooth it. But now I don't want to do it. I want the body to draw or even out the moisture from the body and the handle, so that when I'm smooth it will be better. And if you follow my same kind of a method, I guarantee 99.9% you won't have your handle falling apart or having a crack. Alright, so this concludes my demonstration for using this BHR MKM roller and my custom made, I made it myself, roller to roll the texture on the surface. Okay, so hope this demonstration helped, and see you next time.